Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the dispenser control assembly in a Samsung refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a putty knife, and a flat blade screwdriver. When you unwrap the package, you're going to get a new dispenser control assembly. The dispenser control assembly consists of the touchpad, the control board, the pedal, and the switch. If one or more buttons of the dispenser control assembly doesn't work, causing problem with fast cooling or dispensing water and ice, it's time to check the dispenser and replace it if needed. We're going to start removal of this dispenser assembly with that taking out of this Phillips screw at the bottom. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to pull it out. Before we're going to pull out the assembly, we need to free this tube. And just push it back. It comes out of the bracket. So next I'm going to use a putty knife. And we're going to slide it into this seam on the top. And pry it out slightly. Don't do too much of effort. And then go on the side. And on this side. And now it should come out. We need to disconnect this plug. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver and I'm going to press down that locking tab and pull it apart. This is the old dispenser control assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we're going to plug in that disconnect plug first. I'm going to slide the dispenser control assembly in and press it in to lock all the tabs. So now I'm going to pull this protective film off. So we need to push the tube into the bracket so it will stay in the fixed position. Then we secure that assembly with a Phillips screw. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.